And I have a nifty little tool here, the Android screen monitor, which is actually going to capture an Android screen and display it on my computer screen. And what we're noticing is that here is glass booting. This is the screen. So this is all the processes that start up. That word glass, that is what's displayed as glass is booting. And now the system is ready to take commands. So we see that glass has fully booted. And let's go ahead and look at its file system really quick. So this is the file system that is on my glass. And what we see looks very much like Android. So if we poke around in here a little bit, we should be able to go into System and look at Devices, and we see the CPU, touchpad, trace point, looks very Android-ish. And if I actually come to the system and look at apps, these are the apps that are on Android, native apps. This is not the Mirror API. This is actually APK files that are pushed onto Glass. So Glass Bluetooth, Glass Gestures, Glass Hangouts, Maps, Phone, Login Service Pack. Excellent. I'm going to probably be putting my APKs in here and adding my own applications, so I'm not constrained to the Mirror API. Now, we're going to go ahead and issue some commands to Glass and see what the log says as we issue those commands. So this is the screen of the Glass unit, and we're going to start by doing stuff. OK, Glass. Right now I can't get directions because I need to pair with my phone. So let's go ahead and pair those guys up, and we can see what Glass is going to be saying when you actually connect your device. So I'm pairing with my Galaxy Nexus here. So we should see some messages coming through about how it's pairing. Okay, they're connected now. So hopefully we should see some messages coming through about that. Alright, I will go back and look at the messages in a minute. We're going to issue some commands. So I just did a head gesture to start it. Now I'm going to do a touch gesture to start it. Okay, OK, Glass. Get directions to Starbucks. So that was issued, and we can see, it should look for GPS information. It found some Starbucks. I'm going to go through the cards, and I'm going to find one that I like. This one's good. All right, we're going to get directions. Should see GPS information coming through. Now the head tracking unit's working. So as I move my head, I have walking directions, and Glass is orienting to the way I'm looking. We see some location services. Excellent. And let's see here. And if I ask it to change to driving, to get driving information. Excellent. Okay, we're going to issue some different commands now. So we're going to go ahead and stop that. Let's do a translation. Now I'm going to touch Glass this time. OK, Glass. Google, how do you say hello in Japanese? Konnichiwa. Fantastic. So let's see, that was some interesting catalog information. Let's try something else. Okay, Glass. Google, how do you say hello in Chinese? Excellent. Now, let's try something else here. I'm doing a tap gesture. Okay, Glass. Google images of dolphins. Alright. I thought I saw a head move there in the messages. Very interesting. A lot of battery helper going on. Alright, let's try some different things. So I'm going to do a head gesture this time. Okay, Glass. Take a picture. Oh. Okay, Glass. Take a picture. Interesting. Now we'll go ahead and look at that picture. Very nice. So now I'm going through cards. What'd that say? Loaded, render to image, envelope was sent. Interesting stuff. Okay, let's try some other stuff. Okay, Glass. Record a video. So now we're recording a video. That was a lot of information just went by. Very interesting stuff. Alright, a lot of envelopes sent. So that's 10 minutes of video. And then we're going to go look at that video. See a lot of video information going back there. Let's see here. And it's we can see it's processing it right now. And now it's playing it. I can hear it in the transducer window. Alright, and the video just stopped. Very interesting. Alright, let's try. Okay, Glass. Okay, Glass. Okay, Glass. Send a message to Bob. This is so cool. I'm doing a demo right now of what LogCat looks like, and I'm going to put it into a video and I'm going to send it to you. The voice translation is actually amazing on this thing. Alright, so I will go back and look at the LogCat messages of what it was like to send a message. Let's go ahead and we just brought up the information for the weather. Now, settings, and OK Glass. Make a call. Surf. This is going to be interesting because I don't have a SIM card in this phone. So that's going to be really interesting. Yeah, I shouldn't be able to do that because I'm just on Wi-Fi with my phone. And the call failed. Fantastic. We should have saw some exceptions being thrown. Some things happened there. Great. Okay. Okay, Glass. Oh, sorry. Do a tap. OK Glass, Hangout with Babak Ashrafi. Alright, I'm going to swipe down on that. Alright, now the last thing I want to show is the system booting down. So I'm going to go ahead and shut it down, and we will see what messages are going to be pushed out. So it's now displaying the off symbol. And it is shut down. So I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. That was very interesting. And the next thing I'm going to do is put my application on Glass natively and hopefully get it to run.